Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to BCC invite recipients on a Microsoft Outlook meeting. And let's go. Firstly, open Calendar and create a new meeting invitation. Click the To button in the meeting window. Then select Attendees to BCC and them under Select Attendees to BCC, add them under Resources or type external emails manually. Then click OK. Compose the meeting and click Send. For a CC, which is carbon copy, add attendees to the optional field in the attendee selection dialog. This lets you discreetly invite participants without anyone knowing. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.